Have you ever felt like you're capable of doing something great, but something is holding you back? That voice inside your head saying, "Not today, maybe tomorrow." Most people spend their whole lives waiting for the perfect moment. But here is the truth. The perfect moment doesn't exist. You have to create it. Hi everyone, I'm Waleed. Welcome to Empower Waleed. I started this platform with one simple mission: to help you find the strength that is already inside you. We all have stories of struggles, failures, and silent battles. But those stories aren't meant to break us, they are meant to build us. Why empower? Because empowerment isn't just about success or money. It's about the mindset. It's about waking up and deciding that your goals are bigger than your excuses. On this channel, we aren't just going to talk about motivation. We are going to talk about strategies, real-life stories, and the hard truths of personal growth. If you've ever felt lost, tired, or stuck, know that you are not alone. This is a community where we grow, learn, and win together. Your journey to greatness starts right here, right now. If you're ready to transform your mindset and take control of your life, hit that subscribe button and join the family. Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. I'm Waleed, and I'm here to empower you. Let's get to work.